Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be creating a sketch of a bishop sleeve with a fitted skirt that is asymmetrical. I've been fascinated with bishop sleeves lately, and I thought I would make a sketch of the design that I have in mind just so that I can stay focused. Whenever I don't sketch the original thought, I can get distracted and creating other designs that's not even anywhere close to the original thought that I had in mind. So when I sketch, it keeps my mind focused on what needs to be done. So it's kind of like, well, yeah, I guess you could say it is a blueprint or what you're.